Welcome to the Map My Genome at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product are in the description below. Map My Genome offers a comprehensive DNA testing kit that provides personalized insights into your genetic makeup. This test focuses on a wide range of health and wellness areas, from genetic predispositions to disease risks, to nutrition and fitness optimization. It's a great choice for those interested in proactively managing their health based on their genetics. The process is straightforward. After receiving your test kit, you collect a saliva sample and send it to Map My Genome's certified lab. Once the sample is processed, you'll get access to your results through an online portal. The platform provides a detailed report that's easy to understand, outlining various health traits, genetic risks, and wellness recommendations. What sets Map My Genome apart is its focus on both health insights and the actionable steps you can take to improve your well-being. This includes personalized reports on factors like cardiovascular health, fitness response, nutrition needs, and your body's reaction to different medications. One of the standout features of Map My Genome is its unique Genome Patri report, which covers an individual's genetic predisposition for over 60 traits, including susceptibility to chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. The test also provides suggestions on diet, lifestyle, and supplements tailored to your genetic profile, helping you take a proactive approach to your health. It's ideal for anyone interested in using genetic data to optimize their lifestyle or prevent future health problems. Map My Genome is designed for individuals who want to dive deeper into their genetic health, whether they're looking to prevent disease, improve their fitness, or simply gain more insight into their overall health. With a user-friendly interface and actionable recommendations, this test is a solid investment in your long-term well-being. Check out the link in the description to learn more and start your genetic health journey today.